Hi boys and girls, welcome to Toyland. Today we're going to be opening two great toys, the energy stick and my magical mermaid. Before we can play with the energy stick, we must take it out of the packaging. This one is great because we can just tear it, I think. Oh yes, look at that. Wow, look at this energy stick now that it's out of the box. It's really light and cool. Kind of looks like a test tube, doesn't it? It conducts energy from your body. You can touch the two silver sides. Look what happens. And you can see the flashing lights. Wow, that is so cool. You can do it yourself or you can do it with a friend. Conduct energy with a friend. This works because it's taking the energy from your body to power the lights. Now moving on to the magical mermaid. Oh, we have to take it out of the packaging. Ask an adult to help you because you don't want to hurt yourself with the scissors. Oh. And this mermaid's name is Carissa. Isn't she beautiful? Here Carissa is, all ready to go for a swim. She's out of the packaging, ready to go into the water. I have a little pool filled up with some water for her. You can take her in the bath if you wish. Okay, Carissa, there you go. Wow, look at her swim. She can swim on her back. You can put her on her stomach. This little mermaid just loves the water, don't you? You can put different colored rings on her. She's wearing a pretty purple ring. It also comes with a silver ring and a pink ring. So if you want to go in deeper water, you put the pink ring on. And if you want to go in very deep water, you put the silver ring on her. So she can swim in different places. And she's got really funky hair. Look at that. You didn't see that in the packaging. She's got purple highlights. And in the front too. Isn't that cool? Oh, I have to put her back in the water. She looks so happy in the water. Whee! Look at these two wonderful toys. You can have hours of fun with them. Whee! Thank you for tuning in, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed my show. And I'll see you next time with some more incredible new toys, fun toys. Bye-bye!